This is the video guide about getting rid of Roboverify.club. As you can clearly see, the pop-up says that you need to verify that you are not a robot. However, it's a misleading and tricky message, because if you click on the Allow button as the pop-up suggests, this very moment your browser will be contaminated and infected. It will be infected with the feature of very intrusive push notifications, so you will start getting permanently redirected to all sorts of malicious pages in the internet. Hence, do not click on the Allow button. If it was mistakenly clicked, you need to immediately fix the issue, and now we will do that. Go to the menu, click on Settings, then choose Site Settings and Notifications. You need to inspect the Allow area. So, if you find suspicious websites like this here, be careful and get rid of them. You may also delete all other suspicious sites, even from the block area. And I would also suggest you to double check your Mac additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. The best place to get it is here, combocleaner.com. So download the software and then install the application, start the software, and after it updates the antivirus database, click on Start Combo Scan button. Keep in mind that the program is initially in the trial mode. However, it also has got some free features: disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So click on Start Combo Scan and the free analysis of your Mac will begin. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.